gosh. Where?
Fuck, it ran away.
Is that a gobbler?
Yeah. We'll get him, his head's up.
Did you video? There's old Bomber's bird. Fucking had 2 of them come out. Fucking they fucked us around. I don't know how the boys do her on TV, but Bomber was supposed to be the videoing guy, not the shooter.
Took care of both.
Fucking anyway, nice job. I didn't think we had a hope in hell. I had a feeling when they were close, but I'm like, why are they? It sounded like they were already across the creek to me, and I'm like, I didn't hear them fly across the creek. Because did the hen walk across that log?
I don't think so.
She was still on this side?
Yeah.
On our side?
I believe so. Unless she went way the fuck out and around.
Because I could have swore she was already on the other side. I'm fucked. My hearing's fucked. Anyway, way to go. Nice fucking bird. Flip him over and we'll fan him out. It's gonna be all fucking wet. Ah, yeah. Shit. We shouldn't have let him get to the river. It's fucking awful. He got to the creek. Fucking started getting away. Bomber got 1 pellet in his melon again. Alright, just wait a minute. I'll take a picture. Should make sure fucking safety's on. Yeah, it is. All I could think of was like, the fucking drumming was making my heart pound, and I was like, where are these fucking birds going, and why the fuck didn't they come right out to me? And then he started alarm button, and I was like, oh man, we're not getting the bird today. And then all of a sudden, fucking boom.